Hello Maverick fans, here it is, the brand new Maverick 2.4 gig Phantom XT. This is part of the new Maverick range. It's going to be very similar to the way that they do the Strada stuff. I assume at the moment there's going to be several chassis, several body types, different configurations of everything. This is one of the first ones available, pretty much, and I got this from Time Tunnel Models. They are now sold out pretty much everywhere, so I assume it went quite well for the initial release of these. Hopefully there'll be another batch soon. It's a big box. It's a very big box. Love it. So let's get into this a little bit, eh? Let's see what's inside. All right, inside we've opened it up. Came as really well packaged. Had protective cardboard outserts from both the wheels and all the control unit. It comes with the new MVK MTX 244, which is their new handset that they're using. It's quite nice. It's a different design from what I'm used to. Your thumb is encased inside the controller almost. Comes with all the standard kind of adjustable stuff. Channel 2, channel 1, DR is the drive rate. I assume it has trim and everything inside the covered area. It's very comfortable to hold, I have to admit. It's actually really nice. I'm quite surprised. It's big, it's bulky, but it's not heavy. And it's very pleasant to hold, so that's good. Comes with some manuals as usual. Obviously these are not instruction manuals as such. It's not like it's a kit, so inside there'll be the various kind of do's and don'ts, important safety tips. There'll be exploded views of the chassis type. Also comes with a nice little HPI intro stuff. They have a membership scheme that you can register for and then log all your cars into it, and every now and again they'll do prize draws and things. It has come with various servo adapters, which is interesting. Not really seen that for a while. No spares or anything like that. And then there's the car itself, which is a very cool looking thing. It's a little bit different from a truggy. The cab is a bit more kind of, it's got an old school feel to it. It's kind of square and boxy, like it's from the 80s or 90s or something, with a nice fluted rear section. The decals really nice, factory fitted. You know, what can you say? It's a very nice body. I'm actually really taking it. It's in my old racing color schemes almost, which is excellent. So let's take off the body clips, see what's underneath. Sorry for the wonky camera, possibly because I'm filming this on my phone. I was so excited I didn't get anything set up. I just wanted to open it up and show you guys. There we go. That's all the clips out. 4 clips as usual. Body off. Ba, ba, ba. The chassis. Oh, it's lovely. This is very cool. Has the new Maverick branded ESC, which is probably similar to a Hobbywing 1060, I guess, on the brushed version, which this is the brushed version. Now comes with the Maverick 22550 motor, which I think is a 21 turn motor. The receiver, 3-channel receiver with a binding channel, so that's nice to see. It actually has indicated a bind channel. Some of the preset ones do not, and you can't bind them to any handsets, but this should be able to be bound to anything. There's a pretty decent servo saver in there as well, which is nice to see. The plastics, yeah, not bad. They're a little bit stiffer than the old from the Stradas. The Stradas, one of the things they had was a lot of flex, which was great for just bashing, not particularly brilliant for handling. It's got the classic new Maverick shocks on there, the gold anodized front and Rear, nice gold anodized motor heat sink, clip on, very nice. Battery stay. I got a deal with mine where it's just the chassis, and they kind of knocked a little bit of price off, which was great. Got a bit of discount, brilliant. It's Tamiya connection, which is one of the reasons why I didn't need a battery. I've got dozens of them, and these are the new HPI tyres that they've been advertising, which feel phenomenal. They've got a nice, they're not soft, but they've got a little bit of tackiness to them, which is great from a performance point of view. I don't think they're foam filled, they're empty, could be wrong, but they are glued. All in all, really nice. Phillips head throughout. A lot of people might recognize the chassis. It's a Himoto OEM chassis. I think it's the E10, but with slight mods, I think. I mean, it does look a little different, maybe. Possibly just the plastics. These are the Maverick Bumpers, which is quite a nice thing. It's got a spring-loaded section there, so it's a clip-in, so it doesn't just go straight into the chassis and break the suspension mounts. Very cool. Well, there we go. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of unboxing. I'll get a driving video at some point, but thank you for watching. Bye now.